Hello students, today we will discuss a topic of class 6, subject biology, chapter 4 health and hygiene. Students, in the previous video we have seen that hygiene includes personal hygiene as well as community hygiene. We have also discussed the personal hygiene. Today we will discuss community hygiene. So let us start. Community hygiene. Students, before starting this topic, I want to ask you a question that if a person maintains his proper personal hygiene but his surroundings are not clean, his surroundings are dirty, can that person remain healthy? No, that person cannot remain healthy if his surroundings are dirty. Now come to the topic community hygiene. What is community hygiene? Cleanliness of the surroundings is called community hygiene. Community hygiene is the cleanliness of the surroundings. It is very important to maintain the community hygiene, cleanliness of our surroundings, as it affects the overall health of the people. There are many programs and activities done or conducted by the municipal corporation of the town or panchayat of the village to maintain the community hygiene. Like a medical center, as you can see here, medical center is set up, a child is being treated by a doctor. Many such programs are conducted by the municipal corporation in the towns and panchayats in the villages to maintain the community hygiene. Two such programs are discussed in your book. We will also discuss safe drinking water and disposal of waste. First of all, safe drinking water. Students, to keep ourselves healthy, we must drink a lot of water, and this water is supplied by the municipal corporation and village panchayats. The water from corporation should be purified by purifiers. As you can see, this is a purifier. It can be purified by water can be purified by these purifiers. Then it can be boiled. Water can be boiled for 15 minutes to make it safer for drinking, because boiling the water for 15 minutes kills the germs present in the water. Water can be treated with chlorine tablets to make it fit for drinking, or the water can be treated with crystal of alum and then filtered. These methods makes the water safer to drink. Now come to the second topic, that is disposal of waste. Waste from the houses, offices, hotels, shops, etc. is carried by drains, sewage pipes. The municipal corporation maintains the cleanliness of these sewage pipes and drains. It also makes the arrangement for the collection of garbage and its proper disposal. Four methods are discussed here, how the municipal corporation disposes the waste. Let us discuss about them one by one. First, dumping. Dumping is of the garbage is done in the low-lying areas which are far from the human habitation, far from the houses. And in the low-lying areas, the garbage is dumped. When the areas are filled with the garbage, it is covered with soil so that animals cannot scatter the garbage. After many years, these dumping grounds can be reclaimed and used for making parks and gardens. The second method is composting. Compost pits are dug and biodegradable waste are dumped in the compost. Sometimes the earthworm can be added in the compost pit. That is called vermicomposting. After it is filled, when the pit is filled, it is covered with soil. For after few months, the soil is removed we can see that inside this compost pit, the waste, biodegradable waste, has converted into manure. This is another method of disposing waste. Then the third method is sewage treatment plant. First of all, you understand what is sewage. Sewage is waste material from people's body that is carried away from their homes. So sewage is the waste material from people's body and that is collected, carried by the sewers and drains that come out from our houses, from the toilets and washrooms. These sewers are then collected the sewage treatment plant. The waste material from the sewers are then received in the sewage treatment plant and the solid waste is removed from the water. Water is first treated before releasing them in the water bodies. The solid waste can be converted into manure and then used in the farms. And the fourth method is recycling. Materials like plastic, paper, metals, glasses, these can be recycled. They are collected from the houses and they are treated properly and recycled in the factories, recycling factories, and they are used again and again after recycling. Students, I am giving you a homework. Define community hygiene, and 2 number, write 4 methods of safe disposal of waste. Do this homework in your fair notebook.